How to verify Yubo with password. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Yubo application and make sure that you're logged in. Now, if you are not verified in Yubo, now navigate to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now under your profile, scroll down and there you will get an option as Get Verified. Tap on it. After you do that, you will get this option as driver license, national identity card, passport, and school card. But before that, you have to select the country that issued your ID. Tap on it and after that, select the country where you have or from where you have issued your ID from. After that, select the option as passport from this interface. From here, you get an option as automated and manual. So from here, choose the first option that says automated. Now you have to verify it by showing your face in at least one of your profile picture, and then your picture will be compared with your face photos with the selfie you took previously. So tap on continue. After that, you have to add the picture. So tap on add. You can either take a photo from gallery or you can take a selfie. Now after you take a selfie, this picture will be compared with the picture that you have provided previously.
Easy to read. It is also asking you to place your face on the oval shape.
And if that matches, you'll be verified with passport in Yubo. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.